Your Liberty Trike, when you receive it, since you put the handlebars in when you take it out of the box, it's possible to put the wheel on the wrong way when you put the handlebars in. You'll notice here from the rider's view, as you see the Trike when you're sitting on it, you've got the disc brake rotor on the left, and you've got the wire coming into the wheel on the right from the rider's view. So this is how it's set up when you're all set. If you accidentally have the wheel on the wrong way, you'll usually notice that the wires here get tangled up. In order to fix that, we'll remove the handlebars for a moment and turn the wheel around to untangle them. So this is the wheel as it should be. If we pull the handlebars out and turn the wheel, we can see that it wraps these wires up when we've got it on the wrong way around. So here's the wheel on the wrong way. So we'll just turn the wheel around the right way. We'll take a look at these wires. They look parallel like they did when we started. And we'll put the stem back in, just like we did when we first got the bike. And you'll see the wires are running fair. Close the stem lever, and the disc rotor's on the left, the wire's on the right. So this is the proper setup for the wheel as seen by the rider.